Good day, guys. Welcome to this live here on our YouTube channel. How are you doing today? Let's make a sound and video check. Can you hear me well? And can you see my screen? The markets are great today. A lot of push moves to the upside. Of course, an inverse correlation is with the US oil based on the current situations. But let's start with the gold and see what's going on here. So what I see on the gold prices around this hourly resistance. I don't see this as a sell signal. I rather be more bullish on gold rather than bearish, because after we confirm this high, you will see the market made a false break here. It tried to go all the way down, and this is what we call a failure swing bottom. Failure swing bottom. That's the top, one of the top reversal, bullish reversal patterns. After this, I arguably expect the price to move further up. I break this down anyway in my course, so that's where you can learn the pattern. On the 5-minute or 15-minute, this is the resistance we have to clear up. As I said, is not a strong resistance, but it's still an obstacle. We clear up this resistance, boom, we are good to go. And we can keep buying gold all the way up to here. All these levels, these ones. Nasdaq, I love this one. That's a good move. That's a nice move, solid, bullish engulfing on the 15-minute time frame. So I'm bullish on Nasdaq until this resistance up there. This one. Not that one here, but for sure that one there. This resistance, guys. US oil. Let's go through some headlines to see what's going on with the oil today. Live in UK, won't be drawn into wider war and will work with allies to on Strait of Hormuz plan. Okay. 54 minutes ago, Iran hits key UAE oil port and Dubai airport. Whoa, that's wild. Oil storage facility. The United Arab Emirates' biggest port and oil storage facility and Dubai's international airport have come under further drone attack as Iranian continues to target Gulf transport and oil infrastructure. Whoa, that's huge. here we see the oil price is going down. That was the 15 minutes. On the hourly we have a nice pattern, chart pattern here. I like this one. I've seen this pattern so many times, and that's the exact plan. Most likely the price will come all the way down here, $92 per barrel, clear target for sales. For this session, we can use this 92 as the take profit target. How is trading going, guys? Any comments? Anything you want to share? I'm planning to sell euro upon this retracement. This is how you should speak to yourself if you are trading the euro. The price is in a classic downtrend, lower lows and lower highs on the 4-hour chart. On the hourly, we see this inverse head and shoulder, low followed by a lower low, higher low, break of the neckline, and the price now is going up. Couple of targets will be this high and this rectangle here. So this is the area we can focus on. Just one moment, guys. This pattern here is so predictable. Always, always, always. Retracement back to this area. 50% retracement. I mean, what else do we need? And it's just keep going up. German 40, same, no difference. I love these moves, guys. These moves are so simple. Very simple to trade them. To gain some more information about the price, you have to go in lower time frames, like the minute chart, to understand where the bias but generally speaking, that was a great move. Pick up from this swing high, buy all the way to the top here. So now I'm thinking, within these 10 minutes, the price will show what's going to happen for the hourly candle. The market technical is in a downtrend here because it has these lower lows, yeah, and lower highs. But I'm not convinced about this area, because if I zoom in, I can see right at the support buyer's aggression rather than seller's pressure. Whereas if I look at back and see how the price broke this support with this candle, that's a bearish Marabozu candlestick again. When the support breaks with a bearish Marabozu candlestick, it becomes a strong one. Here, support broke with this candlestick, so it was still okay because it had a follow through. But when support broke with these candlesticks with upper wick, then it formed a clear swing low here, and then it went for a new lower low at the Asian Open today, gapped down and didn't make it to the downside. It raises red flag. So I think we're going to have more bullish session today, but let's see. I would like to find some bullish price action to trade. I don't want to sell this. I don't. I will look to sell only if we change the structure. Only then. Let's see. Here it comes. Okay, platform is open, ready for the trades. So we're gonna go first with a small risk here. I want to go in with a small risk, guys, not much here. Okay, yeah, good. Good so far. Okay, the trade is going great. Okay, now we want to take out this high. I'm gonna take some profits around here. Maybe it's time to take now. The reason you don't see my trades is because I place them on MetaTrader and not on TradingView. Okay, fantastic. It's going up, 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 up. It will push, it will push. Don't worry, it will push. See? There is a lot of space to even to come up here. We still have another 30 for conservatively talking. We still have another 30 pips easy to make up here. Combine Fibonacci, price action, trade for living. If you don't want to combine Fibonacci, don't. Price action, raw price can set you free. It's very bullish. The market is super bullish today. 1 minute until 4 p.m. That's 9 a.m. in New York. My trade is well protected now. I took some profits here. Gold, anything? Okay, 4 p.m. Hourly candle open. The price is, oh, that was, okay, here is Nasdaq. Price is selling off here. I want to see if aggressive buyers will appear. And make something good out of that. The 1 minute chart doesn't look to me very bullish now. Don't get me wrong, we are still having these higher lows and higher highs, but it's not a strong higher high here. Not as strong at all. looks like that buyers want to really push the price higher. Whoa, he's coming. So these inside candlesticks indicate some kind of weakness here. Okay, I don't know for how long the market will remain inside here, but I want to see a breakout. Ideally a break to the upside. There is volatility in the market, guys, today. Okay, there is a lot of volatility. So if we cover this low, this will end up as a bearish reversal pattern. Okay, inside, another inside, all these three inside candles. I want to see the break to the downside. Now buyers are very exhausted. I don't see signs of momentum here. This Fibonacci now is not in place anymore. Cannot use it. That's the deal. Either a break below or a false breakout. Break and close below. Let's see if buyers will come to defend this level now. I just moved my stop loss at break even. I don't want to lose anything if the price comes down to take the entry. And I don't care, I will re-enter again if needed. I just don't want to give back to the market part of my balance. Breakout here, buyer's aggression, or we're going to have absorption. Let's see, buyer's aggression. Jason, how are you, man? Nice to see you here. Let's see, is it going to be a false breakout or it's going to be a real breakout? We need a confirmation. I have my stop loss at break even. And I start on like this. Ah, come on, I'll just grab my profits. Done. I'm out. I'm out. Some move like this, I hate them. I really hate them. So now the price can come easily to fill up this low volume note here. I don't care if it's going to break to the upside or to the downside now. I'll wait for the next move. You know, in trading, sometimes it's as much as you can, you can get in and say, yeah, I had enough now. I lost my concentration. I need some time to reset my head and come back stronger, And it's Monday, 20 minutes before the cash market open. We have to trade smart, not emotionally. Gold reached the resistance. Yeah. This one here is fighting, guys. As I said, the market is heading towards this this high here, this area. S&P, let's check the S&P 500. S&P and a sandwich. Oh, yes. But remember, this formation is during the extension. That's where we have to be careful of. This is during the extension, is not at a key level of support where we expect to buy. See how the price already overextended. If we draw the Fibonacci retracement from this swing high to that swing low to find the extension, it's already above 2%. The market already moved. I prefer to wait a retracement on a higher time frame. That's a 15-minute. A retracement on a higher time frame can push the price somewhere here. Isn't it same with Nasdaq? Same thing, same thing. Nasdaq also had a back-to-back sandwich candlesticks. Look at this one here. These three, and then these three. And now the price is still around there. I bought here the Nasdaq, and I just got out there after this bearish candle. I was come on, I didn't like it. Let's see what's going to happen on this one. Oh, in 15 minutes, the stock market will open. We're going to see some moves there. So let's be patient and prepare. The market, yes, it's in an uptrend, and you can see here green, black, green, black, green, black. Buyers and sellers are killing each other. It's going crazy here. It's really going crazy. Oh, and this inside candlestick here. I love this. I love this. Look at this. Inside, inside, inside. This one here. Inside, inside, double inside of the bearish Marabozu, which it can be the beginning of the move to the downside because of this false breakout. It's like buyers didn't meet a strong, didn't manage to sustain the bullish move here, and during an uptrend, buyers has to dominate the whole situation. If they fail to do that, and sellers, that's not good, and sellers take over, then we're going to have a bearish session. But come on, let's see. I'll try one more time. I'm selling the 50% of this bearish Marabozu with low, very low risk, because it's a counter trend, and I'm getting out right there at the top. I'm willing to risk a little bit just to see if this trade is going to work, because I really like the setup, the whole concept. This is about structure, guys. It's all about structure. I'm not gonna be surprised to see a long bearish Marabozu candle smashing through these lows. I won't be surprised at all, just for a higher time frame retracements. But again, probabilities, right? Just probabilities. If it doesn't work, I'm very well covered. Now the price moved all the way down. I'm gonna just cover my position, and I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even. I don't want to lose anything on this trade, so stop loss goes right there. Awesome, that's perfect. Okay, I just got out that break even. Nothing. I didn't make anything on this trade, but I didn't lose anything also. I like this bullish engulfing. I like this bullish engulfing very much. It's 22. Bullish engulfing in the house. Bullish engulfing in the house. Do you think buyers will make us happy this session? 12 minutes for the open. Jason, any trades for you so far? Oh. What's going on here? Okay, I got out with just a couple of pips loss on this one, guys. Ten minutes. 10 minutes. Yeah, that's amazing. That's great. I like the way you say just one win. Yeah, man, congratulations. Win, it's a win. 'Always. Win is a win. 15-minute chart came up with a doji. I can draw this trend line here just to understand the steepness of the trend. The price is compressing as moving closer to this part of the trend line. And buyers can appear to push the price up. We have a doji candle there. So now we are just waiting for the cash market open in about 5 minutes. Let's see where this will take us today. Buyers are coming up very aggressive. I want to see if I can manage my positions, and if I don't get my stop loss hit and run it up to this resistance to take profits up there. Gold got rejected at resistance. See guys, I told you so many times, wait for a confirmation. There is no confirmation if the resistance broke only with one candlestick closing above resistance. We always need at least two candlesticks. One minute left. 1 minute left for the open. And here are we. Okay. Now I'm out. I'm out. Alrighty. That was my moment where I will look for invalidation. Alright guys, I will leave it up to here. I wish you to have a great trading day ahead if you're going to be around. And I will see you on Wednesday with another live here on YouTube. Have a great day and I will speak to you soon.